Hello viewers, welcome to Apex Spoken English and Computer Institute. I am Vishu ma'am. Today in this video we will see the explanation of the poem Fire and Ice from 10th standard NCERT book. The poem is Some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. From what I tasted of desire, I hold with those who fear fire. But if it is had to perish twice, I think I know enough of it to say that for destruction price is also great and would suffice. And the explanation is the poet expresses the profound idea that the world would end in either of two ways, either by ice or fire. One group is of the opinion that someday the Earth's core will get so heated up that it would lead to fire destroying the Earth's surface. On the other hand, the second group says that if the temperature goes down to the extent that makes life on the Earth impossible, it would have the same catastrophic effect. Fire indirectly and metaphorically compared with desires or anger of human being, whereas ice compared with hatred. Fire and ice personified as desire and hatred, which are human characteristics. The poet compares fire and ice with the self-destructive nature of human being. Fire stands for desire or greed. The more human try to fulfill them, the more rapidly these emotions spread. Similarly to fire. As a result, people become egoist. On the other hand, ice as the rigid, tough, and hateful side of human emotions. People become harsh and do not care about the emotions and feelings of the others. Ice is as dangerous as fire. The poem conveys beautiful message that human emotions they will ruin their lives and being them to bring to the verge of chaos. The rhyme scheme of the poem is ABA, ABC, BCB, and literary devices used in the poem are personification, alliteration, anaphora, metaphor, imagery, symbolism, enjambment, etc. Hope you understood the poem. Thank you.